Hi students. Today I'm going to explain how to find the HCF of two numbers and the HCF of three numbers using Euclid division algorithm. In the last class already I explained what is Euclid division lemma. For any two numbers a greater than b, a can be written as bq plus r, where r lies between r is greater than or equal to 0 and less than modulus b. Now division algorithm. Algorithm is a step-by-step repeated procedure to find the solution to a given sum. For example, if you want to find the GCD of 12 and any number, we take 12 and 75. 12 and 75, how to find the HCF? This is very simple, I will explain. First step, for every a here 75 is greater than 12, therefore 75. Using division lemma, we write 75 as 12 into, how many times 12 will go there? 6 times. 6 12s are 72 and the remainder is 3. So when it's divided by 12, the quotient is 6 and the remainder is 3. Now we take this b and the remainder. We take this 12 and the remainder. This is always 12 will be greater than the remainder. So now we have expressed 12 in this form. That is 3 into 4 plus 0. Plus 0. So this division method, this division lemma should be continued till we get 0 to find the HCF of two numbers. So here 3 into 4 plus 0 gives 12. Therefore this 3 is the HCF. HCF of 12 and 75 is 3. Okay. I'll give another example also. What will be 36 and we take 84 some number. What will be the HCF of 36 and 84? Now, this 84 is greater. So, 84 can be written as 36 into 2 gives 72 plus 12. Okay, 72 plus 12, 34. So, this is a reminder that is not equal to 0. Therefore, this step should be continued by taking this as A and this as B. Now, 36 can be written as 12 into 3. 12 3s are 36 plus 0. Therefore, this 12 is the HCF. So, this is very simple method using division lemma, Euclid lemma to find the HCF. These are the two examples I am giving on my own, and I have taken two questions from the textbook as well. Now first, what will be the HCF of 867 and 255? Find the HCF of 867 and 255. This is actually a division method. So 867 is greater. That should be written as 255 into some number plus some remainder. Okay. 255. Try it for 3 times. 255 into 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. 16. 1. This is 765. So this can be written as 255 into 3. And the 765 means 867 minus 765. You subtract, you will get 2, 0 and 1. This is 102. Okay. So remainder is 102. Now you take this 255. That should be written as 102 into sometimes plus the remainder. 102 into 2 gives 204. 204 if you minus, you get 204. If you subtract, you get 51, the remainder. Now this time, now you take 102 and 51 into some number plus the remainder. 51 into 2 gives 102. That time the remainder comes 0. Therefore, this 51 is the HCF. 51 is the HCF of these two numbers, 867 and 250. Yes, now we go to find the HCF of three numbers, namely 396, 504 and 636. We take 504, that can be written as 396 into 1 plus 108. This result we get by using the division lemma, that is Euclid lemma. Now you take 396, which is equal to, can be written as 108 into 3 times it will go for 324. So 396 minus 324, you get 72. You get 72. Now you take 108, that can be written as 72 into 1 plus, you get 28 plus 8, 36. Now you take 72, that can be written as 36 into 2 plus 0. So this division lemma we continue till we get 0 to get the HCF. Therefore now this is 36. When 72 is divided by 36, we get 36 into 2 plus 0. Therefore 72 is exactly divisible by 36, and now 36 is the HCF of 504 and 396 is the HCF of these two numbers. Now we take this 36 and 636. So 636 and 36 we take. Okay. Now 636 can be written as 36 into certain times, so plus remainder if we get. So if you put 36, how many times? 36 into 20 times, we get 720. So we get something around 18 times. We try. 8 6 are 48, 4, 24, 28, and 36, 8, 4, 6, 48. So 36 into 18 gives 8 6 are 48, 4, 8 3 are 24 plus 4, 28, 36, 8, 648. So into 18, we put 648, which is 648, which is greater than 636. We go for 17 times. We go for 17 times. 7 6 are 42. It is 4. 21 plus 4, 25, and 36. We get 2, 1, and 6, 612. So 36 into 17, we get 612. And from 636, we subtract, we get 24. Now this 36 and 24, we write 24 into 1 gives 12. 24 into 1 plus 12. Then I will take this 24 and 12. 24 can be written as 12 into 2 plus 0. Therefore, this 12 is the HCF. So HCF of all the three numbers, 396, 504 and 636 is nothing but 12. So 12 is the HCF of these three numbers. So very simple, you can find it. So there are a few questions in the textbook exercise also 2.1. You can do it and try on your own to get the answers. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.